Let's be honest, we use Windows every day, but we only use 20% of its brain. Today I will show you 10 hidden Windows features that are already inside your PC. No apps, no downloads, no headache. Let's begin before Windows updates itself again. The first one, shake to minimize everything. Too many windows open, your screen looks like a puzzle game. Grab one window, shake it like you're angry, boom, all other windows disappear. Shake again, they come back. Yes, Windows understand emotions. One number 2, clipboard history. You copied something 5 minutes ago, but Ctrl+V betrayed you. Press Windows+V, you will see everything you copied before. Text, links, even emoji. Your clipboard has memory, unlike me during exams. Our number 3 secret, emojis keyboard. Want emojis on PC but hate copy paste? Press Windows plus dot. You will going to get emojis, symbols and co-emojis. Now you can express feelings better than most humans. Our number 4 is instant screenshot menu. Stop pressing random keys for screenshots. Press Windows plus Shift plus S. Select an area, screenshot done. No paint, no drama, clean and fast. Our number 5 is virtual desktop. If your PC is messy, let's give it rooms. Press Windows plus tab, click new desktop. One desktop for work, one for fun, one for pretending to study. Alt plus tab is multitasking master. Our number 6 is rename multiple files in one click. Renaming 100 files one by one. Select all files, right click, rename, type one name, enter. Windows will count for you. Our number 7 is GodMode. No hacks, no virus, calm down. Create a new folder, rename it like this and press enter. Now you control all Windows settings. Congratulations, Mr. Administrator. Our number 8 is focused assist. Tired of notifications saying someone's liked your post? Now go to settings, check focus assist and turn it on. Your PC becomes silent, your mind becomes peaceful, your productivity says thank you. Our number 9 is shake to find mouse cursor. Lost your mouse cursor again? Press Ctrl key, your cursor appears like magic. Windows say, bro, I'm right here. Number 10 is instant lock. Someone's coming? Mom, boss, teacher? Press Windows plus L, PC lock instantly. Your secrets are safe, your dignity is safe. These were 10 hidden Windows features most people never use. Which one shocked you the most? Comment below, like, share, subscribe and remember, the PC is smarter than you think.